Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Bubble here.
It's me, Bubble here.
Yeah, so today, Bubble, tell us, what are we going to be having? What are we going to be doing? What are we giving to them?
We're going to be making spicy sausage jollof spaghetti.
Ooh la la. Can't wait.
So the basic ingredients for this meal are carrot, red bell pepper, green pepper, onions, and sausage.
Okay, so walk us through the steps in which you made this delicious delicacy.
Okay, so I started by slicing my vegetables, the carrots, the green pepper. I sliced it in just the shape I wanted it. I wanted it to be a little bit cylindrical and neat. Then I went over to the tomato and pepper.
So you're using your hand to slice pepper. You could try you.
It's not a big deal. You know, I'm a professional.
Not so. By the time you answer the pepper, you're gonna use some.
So after doing this, went over to the onions.
Yeah.
I love my onions being circular. So that's it. And this arrangement is just for, you know, a fizzy. I just love the way it looks. It makes me feel. So I get a white plate and arrange them like that. You can. The sausage has already been parboiled for about 2-3 minutes. I washed, parboiled it, and then decided to cut it. This is me chopping it. You know, we have to make the food delicious.
I'll try this one. Anyway, let's see if the food will be sweet.
That's why we're adding all the mede.
Right.
So our vegetables are ready. By the way, we've boiled the spaghetti, parboiled it for about 3 minutes. So we don't want it to be extremely soft. So this is it. You can see we've sieved the water from the spaghetti. And so we'll go on to stir fry our vegetables. I started with the onions because it's hard. Then I went over to the carrot, the green pepper, all the onions has already entered, and then the sausage. So we stir fried for about roughly 7 to 10 minutes. We just wanted it to be soft. That was the aim.
Yeah.
So it has to be very soft.
See smoke.
Yeah, it's low heat. So we're working with low heat.
By this time, the kitchen was already sensing, like our neighbors knew that something was happening.
We're doing great. Then don't forget to add your seasoning cubes and salt, because that's what's going in next now. Added the seasoning, the salt for taste. So when we were done with that, we started making our tomato puree. We put in onions. You can see there's little oil. We're trying to watch our cholesterol level. Then the tomato and pepper goes in. We do not get so much. And then our paste, the tomato paste. I had very little stew in the fridge, so that one went in too. We fried this for about 5 to 7 minutes. We've already set aside the vegetables, so the frying continues. And then when you are sure that it's ready, you can add your water. At this point, the stew had already gone in, so the water was coming in now. Then you add your seasoning cubes to taste. You don't add so much water, if not your spaghetti will soak a lot of water. Note that you've already parboiled the spaghetti, so you don't really need much water again. This is the salt coming in. You know, we sprinkle salt until our ancestors tell us it's enough.
Once you get hypertension.
But it always comes out well. Trust me. So this is a closer view at what we are doing.
Yeah, looks so nice.
Trust the process.
Trust the process. It's good. Sweet.
Then the parboiled spag goes in. You can see it's not so soft. Then you try as much as possible to mix it together with the paste. I always use wooden spoon for most of my cooking. I just feel it's better. It helps prevent scratches on the pots and all that. So this is it. We cooked for about 5 minutes before adding the vegetables. So you can see colors. We eat colors, colorful food. We just love colors. So in they go. They're already soft. Videos don't lie, right?
No, they don't lie.
So you cover for another 7 minutes and your food is ready.
I'm waiting. All these 7 minutes, 5 minutes. When you want it done?
Ooh la la.
Oh.
Food is ready. Then you turn. You remember your vegetables are on top, so you just mix everything.
Wow.
Can you see that? Can you see that? Whoa. And you serve in a plate.
This is the part I've been waiting for.
You see, it has evenly turned red, and your jollof spag is ready. This is nice. This is really, really nice. It's nice on video, but it even tastes better when eaten.
Trust me, it tastes better. So you can enjoy this with a chill drink. So we hope that you learned a new recipe that you're going to try out. We look forward to giving you more recipes on this channel. Thank you very much for staying with us.
Listen to me now.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification button for our next video, and share. Bye guys.